Have you ever dreamt of solo travel? But then, bam, anxiety sets in, your chest tightens, your stomach drops, and the what ifs start to flood in. What if I get lost? What if I can't handle it? I remember that exact moment before my first solo trip. The fear mixed with excitement, it was almost enough to stop me. But here's the truth. Those nerves don't mean you can't do it. They mean you're human. Once you push past them, that's where the best version of you and your adventure began. What I want you to do is reframe alone as free. Free. Doesn't that sound better than alone? Instead of focusing on isolation, notice the gift of total flexibility. You get to eat where you want, move at your own pace, and follow your own curiosity. Second, what I want you to do is remember the power of the tourist gaze. Most people are busy with their own adventures. They're not looking at you. They really aren't. So release that fear of being judged. Blend in, take in the sights and the sounds, the flavors. Enjoy your moment. That's what other people are doing. They're not looking at you. Third, I want you to celebrate the small wins. Every step outside of your comfort zone, ordering in another language, navigating a new bus route, even just sitting solo in a cafe, that's progress. Give yourself some credit, okay? Because positive reinforcement, it builds confidence. Let's get practical. I want you to create a what-if map. Write out your biggest fears, like getting lost, losing Wi-Fi, or missing a bus, and plan a solution for each. You'll feel more in control before you even leave. Do a digital detox prep. Download offline maps, save essential documents, and stash some entertainment so you're never stranded by a bad signal. Number 3, pack you a comfort item, whether it's your favorite book, a journal, even a photo, because having a piece of home can keep you grounded. It just keeps you grounded wherever you go. Feels good here. Now, these are on-the-ground confidence boosters. Use the friendly face strategy. I do it all the time. Like, I may not be able to understand what people are saying all the time. I'm still learning. Aprendiendo. That's what I say. So I've learned that word, and it has helped me so much when the language barrier is a little stressful. I go, lo siento, aprendiendo. And so basically they say they're learning too. And right there, we just made a connection. And that person is more apt to help me in whatever it is that I'm doing. So strike up small conversations in cafes, join a group tour, smile at a fellow traveler. Here in Colombia, people say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night all the time, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It works for me because I'm out here smiling and I'm meeting new people. It really breaks down those barriers and those walls. Don't go to a new country walking around like, don't do it. Don't walk around like that or like this. What's up? Hey, what's good? Man, why they looking at me? Come on now. Take your ass back home with that energy. Either way, even one connection can turn a lonely day into a memorable one. Hack number 5. Embrace micro adventures. Try something a little outside of your comfort zone each day. Order a dish you've never tried. Explore a side street you'd usually skip. These small wins builds resilience. And above all, embrace uncontrolled discomfort. Some nerves are normal. In fact, they're part of the growth. Each time you navigate a challenge, you prove to yourself that you're capable. So to wrap everything up, solo travel doesn't mean that you're alone. It means that you're free. With the right mind shift, these simple hacks can turn anxiety into confidence. Fear becomes your fuel. See, the world isn't waiting for you to be fearless. It's just waiting for you to show up and show just how strong you really are. Hey, if this video helped relieve some anxiety about solo travel, hit that subscribe button for me. Like, comment, comment, share the video. I talk to everybody. Comment, let's have a chat. Until then, let's keep crossing cultural boundaries and making memories along the way.